In the deep forest, the roar of the chainsaw breaks the silence. The sound of power and precision. Its sharp chain slices cleanly through the massive trunk, each cut revealing the raw beauty of the Woodworking family. Here begins the journey of timber, from the heart of the forest to the craftsman's hands. Inside the workshop, a chainsaw fitted with a metal rail guide hums to life. The worker carefully secures the massive log, checks the level, then starts the cut. The chain slides smoothly along the rail, drawing a straight, perfect line through the wood. Sawdust swirls into the air, glowing in the sunlight. Each pass of the blade balances human control and machine precision. Fresh timber surfaces, rough yet full of promise, marking the beginning of its transformation from forest wood to crafted art. In a spacious workshop, the horizontal bandsaw stands ready, prepared to slice through massive logs. The craftsman places the log on the conveyor, checks its balance and alignment, and powers up the machine. The blade spins horizontally, cutting through the timber like a sharp sword. The rhythmic roar of the saw fills the workshop, sawdust swirling as each pass splits the log into flat, evenly thick planks. The craftsman watches each cut carefully, adjusting feed and speed to ensure millimeter precision. Each board slides onto the conveyor, its surface smooth, grain revealed, ready for the next stages of planing, sanding, and finishing. This scene showcases the harmony between human skill and machinery, where precise technique meets woodworking experience to produce high-quality wooden boards. Inside the woodworking shop, the vertical bandsaw hums steadily. Before the craftsman lies a massive timber block, ready to be shaped into perfect boards. The thin, upright steel blade moves with precision, slicing through the grain, each pass creating smooth, flawless cuts with mechanical rhythm. The worker guides the log carefully, eyes focused, hands firm. A fraction of a millimeter matters. Every motion reflects experience and control. The scent of freshly cut wood fills the air, mingling with sawdust and light. A symphony of steel, wood, and human craftsmanship. As each board slides out of the saw, the craftsman measures it: width, thickness, alignment. Perfection is not optional. Every board must meet exact standards, for they will become the foundation of fine wooden creations. When a machine slows and silence returns, stacks of freshly cut planks stand tall, straight, smooth, and full of promise. This is the art of precision, patience, and passion, the very soul of giant redwood craftsmanship. After the boards are sawn, the craftsman begins the measuring and precision cutting stage. Each plank is laid flat. Steel rulers, squares, and pencils mark every line carefully. Every dimension is checked twice. Even the smallest error could cause misalignment in the final assembly. The table saw or scroll saw starts humming, its blade gliding smoothly along the markings. Each cut is controlled with skill and focus, turning raw boards into ready-to-assemble wooden parts. This stage demands craftsmanship, patience, and precision, where human intuition meets accuracy, laying the foundation for a flawless finished product. Once every wooden piece has been measured and cut precisely, the craftsman begins the gluing and assembly stage, a process that demands both technical skill and refined intuition. Each joint's surface is cleaned, planed, and inspected to ensure perfect alignment. With a brush or roller, the craftsman spreads a smooth, even layer of wood glue along the edges. Every stroke is deliberate, not too thick to overflow, yet not too thin to weaken the bond. When ready, the pieces are carefully fitted together. Each joint slides into place seamlessly, guided by earlier precision. A few gentle taps with a rubber mallet secure the connection, while clamps and straps are applied to hold the structure firm as the glue cures. The craftsman wipes away any excess glue and allows the assembly to rest, ensuring a solid, long-lasting bond that will stand the test of time. This stage is the heart of the woodworking process, where craftsmanship, patience, and passion merge to transform raw wood into a masterpiece of durability and beauty. After the assembly is complete, the craftsman moves on to planing and sanding, the stage that defines the smoothness and tactile quality of the wood surface. Sharp blades of the planer glide across the wood, shaving away imperfections and leveling every edge. Then, with sanding machines and fine-grit sandpaper, each surface is refined by hand until it feels silky smooth to the touch, revealing the natural grain and warm character of the timber. Next comes the primer coating, the foundation layer that seals the pores and enhances paint adhesion. The craftsman sprays the surface with precise, even movements, allowing the wood's texture to remain visible beneath a soft matte sheen. Finally, the PU finishing stage brings the piece to life. This layer adds rich depth, gloss, and protection, resisting moisture, scratches, and time itself. Under the workshop lights, each stroke reflects the care and patience poured into the craft. When the work is done, the product gleams with a deep, natural brilliance, a perfect harmony between wood, craftsmanship, and art, marking the completion of a full woodworking journey from raw timber to timeless beauty.